Hello, and welcome to this Scratch crash course. In this tutorial, we'll take you from zero to hero in Scratch programming. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious about coding, Scratch is a fantastic way to get started with programming. Let's begin by setting up an account on the Scratch website. In this section, you gotta have to input your username, password, your country, your birth date, pronounces and your email. You can use any type of email, for example, Google Mail. Once you've created your account, you can access a world of creativity and coding. Now, let's explore the Scratch interface. The stage is where your project will be displayed, and the sprites are your characters or objects. Here you can see many coding blocks such as motion, sound, etc., and here this is our sprite. The heart of Scratch is coding with blocks. Let's learn the basics. We are gonna make this sprite change costume by adding a simple script. You don't need to type any code. Just snap the blocks like Lego. Time to create your first script. Look at that. We just made our sprite move. Scratch is all about creating interactive experiences. Scratch is event-driven. Let's learn how to make things happen when specific events occur. There are two useful blocks named when green flag clicked and broadcasting. These blocks will come in handy when you start scripting your characters to talk, move, dance, or anything you wish. When green flag clicked is a block used to, for example, when you want to make your sprite or character go to a certain point, area, or you want a certain way to pop up when the green flag is clicked. The possibilities are endless. But for the broadcasting block acts similar but is different. The block sends a message to the system, and when you add a block called when I received, it will take that message and do a certain thing you scripted it to do. Sort of like a button, you can say. Here's a demonstration of these two blocks in action. Let's create a simple script for it to work. And that's how the blocks work. With these blocks you can make very cool epic games. Make your projects come to life with sound and costumes. For this to work, click on the sprite you want to change the sound or costume of and head over to the Sounds tab. Here you can see a SFX of a meow. You can click on the sound icon in the bottom left and choose a sound you want to add from your device, or you can choose ready-made sounds by Scratch. Here, I chose this SFX. Let's head over to the Costumes tab and check out what sprite costumes we got. We can also make our own costumes or upload one, but I am going to use the default one for the demonstration. Let's create a simple script so we can make it whenever we click the cat, a sound plays and change costumes. You can be a composer and a fashion designer in Scratch. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for you. In Scratch, there are a large community who will be helping you throughout your year. You can go to the Scratch forums and can ask help for a script, error, or anything. Also, there is this feature called Remix. By remixing a project you can view the scripts, codes inside it, or make a fan-made version of the project you are remixing. Here's a demonstration on how to remix a project. That's it for our Scratch crash course. I hope you're excited to start creating your own projects and exploring the world of coding and creativity with Scratch. Remember, the more you experiment and play with Scratch, the more you'll learn and have fun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more coding tutorials. Happy coding with Scratch, and I'll see you in the next video.